welcome to my channel. So this is me, Alisha, and I just woke up now, and it's 1st of September, and today is my kuhu's birthday, and we are celebrating her birthday at home only. After cleaning and cooking, we are planning to go to temple. We'll come and decorate the house. Good morning. Oh. Happy birthday.
So we took a metro train, we call it LRT here, and we are going to the Kalyaman temple. After spending half an hour in the temple, we are going back. We reached home now, and she slept after coming from the temple, and just now she woke up, and it's a really big task to keep her busy and complete the work. But we have almost completed decoration with the help of Kuhu's uncle, and thank you so much, Surendra. Here is the glimpse of the house. I also set a table for the snacks with some candies, chocolate, chips, salad and some sweets, and we are really happy with the decoration. You know, it's very simple but turned out so beautifully. And my little princess is also ready for the party. Now guests are about to come. And this is what I am wearing, nothing new I bought, but I actually paired this skirt with the blouse, and that's it. So guests are here, some are coming, but we have done with the arrangements.
Is over. So hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.